module. This is our new module, LCD keypad shield. So in here we have this blue LCD display, and it is 1602, the size of the screen, with potentiometer for brightness. Also included is 6 push button. There is a pin at the back. No other pin, only at the back is included, is installed. LCD keypad shield with 6 pins. This is shield. Let us okay, the plastic, we remove the plastic. Blue screen. This is LCD shield. Shield for, of course, our favorites, Arduino Uno Microcontroller. So this is a shield for this Arduino, so we can put it here. Now we have the complete module. What are we going to do? We're going to test this shield, the screen, by downloading a code from Arduino IDE, or the code. We have the code for this to test the LCD screen.